Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy shit. God, God, God. God, I love you. God, I love you.
Welcome back to Auto Spotlight, your ultimate destination for futuristic vehicles, innovation, and all things mobility. Today, we're stepping off the ground, literally and into the skies, as we explore one of the most groundbreaking aerial vehicles of our time, the EHang EH216S. This is not just another drone. This is not just a flying taxi. This is the face of a new era, urban air mobility, and EHang is leading the charge. We'll dive deep into its design, technology, safety features, real-world applications, global regulations, and the impact it could have on the future of transport. To understand the EH216S, we must first understand EHang. Founded in 2014 and based in Guangzhou, China, EHang was one of the earliest pioneers of autonomous aerial vehicles, or AAVs. With a vision to revolutionize short to medium-range air mobility, they've been developing passenger-grade drones capable of fully autonomous flight. EHang made global headlines with the debut of the original EH184, but it was the EH216S that truly stole the spotlight. Let's break down how this vehicle evolved from concept to certification. The EH216S is a two-seater autonomous aerial vehicle that combines cutting-edge design with AI flight technology. Here's what makes it special. Dimensions: 5.6 meters long, 1.7 meters tall. Weight: 600 kilograms empty, 620 kilograms max takeoff weight. Flight speed: cruising at 100 kilometers per hour. Range: around 35 kilometers or approximately 21 miles. Flight time: roughly 21 minutes per charge. Power: fully electric with 16 independent rotors arranged in 8 coaxial pairs. The cabin is fully enclosed, compact, yet futuristic, with intuitive touchscreen controls, though passengers don't actually need to fly it. Unlike helicopters or planes, the EH216S is 100% autonomous. There's no joystick, no yoke, no pilot. Instead, passengers simply select their destination and the vehicle takes care of the rest. It uses AI navigation algorithms, real-time sensor fusion, redundant communication systems, vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capability. It's like Uber, but in the air and without a driver. Safety is the cornerstone of any flying vehicle, and EHang takes it seriously. Multiple redundant flight systems, battery compartment isolation, automated emergency landing protocol parachute deployment system in future iterations. If one rotor fails, the rest compensate. If power drops, it seeks the safest nearby landing point. In October 2023, the EH216S made history. It became the first passenger-grade AAV to receive type certification from the Civil Aviation Administration of China, CAAC. That means it passed rigorous airworthiness tests for design, safety, and operational stability. It's also been tested in countries like Austria, UAE, Korea, and Japan. Real-world test flights have now clocked over 40,000 safe flights globally. The EH216S is more than just a novelty ride. It has real potential in sectors such as urban air, taxi services, emergency medical response, firefighting sightseeing tours, cargo delivery, EH216L variant. Imagine air ambulances that bypass traffic, or quick hops between cities without the wait times of traditional air travel. While EHang is ahead, it's not alone. Others are racing to dominate the skies. Volocopter, Germany, Joby Aviation, USA, Lilium Jet Whisk Aero, Boeing. But most of them still rely on human pilots. EHang's full autonomy gives it a leap forward in terms of scalability and cost. The real question is, when will we see aerial taxis as a common sight? The EHang EH216S is not a prototype. It's not science fiction. It's here, it's certified, and it's flying. But adoption won't be instant. It will depend on infrastructure, regulations, and public trust. Still, if the 20th century was defined by the car, the 21st may well be remembered for vertical, autonomous electric flight. At Auto Spotlight, we believe this is only the beginning. Stay tuned for our next video as we explore more vehicles shaping the skies, roads, and beyond. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Would you ride in a flying drone or pilot one yourself? Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.